Hello everyone and welcome to Byju's Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. In this session, we will be discussing about an important topic, that is 13 new governors appointed, or it is better to write 12 new governors and one lieutenant governor has been appointed. So we use the word LG or lieutenant governor. So lieutenant governor is a word used for union territory and governor is a word used for states. So you must be aware of it, I guess. So this is an article which says 12 states, 1 union territory gets new governors in major rejig. So 12 states would be getting governor, 1 union territory, that is Ladakh, would be getting a new lieutenant governor. The house of the governor is generally considered as Rashtrapati Bhavan. You must be knowing it because that is important. So Rashtrapati Bhavan. Just have an idea about it. Now, the question is, who among the following appoints the governor of a state? Your options are Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President of India, or Chief Justice of India. Your time starts now. And there is a request, please keep us, press the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. So the right answer to this question is the governor is appointed by the President of India. I hope you all are aware of it. So C is the right answer to this question. You can see Article 155 talks about the appointment of governor. The governor of a state shall be appointed by the President of India by warrant under his hand and seal. Now there is another question because it was very much in the news, so you must be aware of it. Which among the following retired Supreme Court judge has been appointed as the governor of Andhra Pradesh? Your options are Justice Ranjan Gogoi, Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde, Justice Ashok Bhushan, Justice S. Abdul Nazir. Your time starts now. This is important because a lot of things, these are the things which are very much in the news, so you must be aware of it. So recently, actually last month, Justice S. Abdul Nazir retired and recently he has been appointed as the governor of Andhra Pradesh. So D is the right answer to this question. You must be aware of it. Now, so these are the 13 new appointments. You can see Justice Syed Abdul Nazir would be actually the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Ramesh Bais would be the governor of Maharashtra. Brigadier B.D. Mishra would be the new lieutenant governor. So it's LG word will be mentioned. Of Ladakh, Golab Chand Kataria, Assam. Then Lakshman Prasad Acharya, Sikkim governor. CP Radhakrishnan, Jharkhand governor. Shiv Pratap Shukla, Himachal Pradesh governor. Lieutenant General KT Parnaik, he will be the governor of Arunachal Pradesh. Bishwa Bhushan Harichandra, Chhattisgarh governor. Phagu Chauhan, who was earlier the chief minister of Bihar, governor of Bihar, would be now the governor of Meghalaya. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar, Bihar governor. Anusuya Uike, Manipur governor, and La Ganesan, Nagaland governor. So actually 13 new governors have been appointed, out of which 6 are actually the new ones and the rest 7 were actually has been shuffled as well. Okay, so just have an idea about it. And yes, his appointment was very much in the news. Justice Nazir appointed the governor of Andhra Pradesh, and the governor of actually Maharashtra has resigned. Actually his name is Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He was very much in the news. And he had, in fact, last month had already said he is actually planning to resign. So that is what one thing you should be knowing. Another is Ladakh governor was actually removed. R.K. Mathur is a former IAS officer. He has been removed as the lieutenant governor of Ladakh. And now the new one I have already told you, Brigadier B.D. Mishra would be the new lieutenant governor of Ladakh. Now this is slightly important because just have an idea. About it, he was actually very much in the news. Mr. R.K. Mathur, a lot of protest had happened against Mr. R.K. Mathur by civil society groups. So a lot of protest had happened in the Ladakh. So I hope you all are aware of it. So the president actually removed him as the lieutenant governor of Ladakh and all. So he actually resigned, you can see. So he's a former IAS officer of 1977 batch and all. And why actually it was in the news? Because I hope you must have heard about this person. His name is Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, and he was protesting for actually he was even in fact fasting also and all. That is why it was in the news. So he's actually from, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk is from Ladakh, and they all are actually demanding that Ladakh should be added in 6th schedule. That is what their demand is. So please go and read about 6th schedule. That is very, very important. Mr. Sonam Wangchuk actually went for a fast also. And actually he is famous because there was a very famous movie of Aamir Khan, 3 Idiots, which is actually based on his life. It is said, the man who inspired 3 Idiots and why he is protesting. So 6th schedule becomes very, very important. And he was protesting against this. And in fact, he actually said many things actually went many things against Mr. Mathur as well. So actually, and that is why Mr. Mathur actually had to resign, and we are having a new Lieutenant Governor in Ladakh. So just have an idea about it because it's important. Sixth schedule is important. So what happened was when Ladakh was earlier a part of Jammu and Kashmir state, and Ladakh was also getting the benefit of Article 370 and a special status and all. So actually he had said that perhaps we were better off as a part of Jammu and Kashmir rather as a separate Ladakh Union Territory. This is what he had said. He had demanded for a statehood, a special status under 6th schedule. So that is what very much in the news. They are protesting that Ladakh should become a part of, should be getting the special status criteria under 6th schedule. So there's a homework. Go and read about 6th schedule because of course it is very much in the news. They can ask it. One more thing is that we are providing a 90% up to scholarship on our paid batches. This is the paid batch. This is CLAT 2024 paid batch, which is going to happen in December 2023. 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live session would be there. So on 19th February at 11 a.m. in the morning, we'll be having a scholarship test. If you qualify, you will get up to 90% of scholarship. Now, if you have query, call on this number 953889568. इस पर call कर लीजिएगा if you have questions regarding this course and all. So this is all about today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the Byju's Exam Prep app. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.